Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look. It's actually really intense, but pretty easy to achieve, so I think you guys can do it if you follow along to this tutorial. So yeah, let's just get right into it. And I am going to be using my products that I got in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag because I am an Ipsy creator. First product that I'm going to use is actually a face mask. This is Wild Honey Apothecary Sea Salt Scrub Mask. It's going to leave your skin really glowing by exfoliating basically. So yeah, I'm actually showing it to you on my arm because I lost the footage. That's embarrassing, but yeah, I lost the footage, so I just showed you a demonstration on my arm, but normally you would put this on your face and neck. So then, moving on, I'm gonna moisturize my skin with this Ben Skincare All-in-One Moisturizer. It actually feels so good. I love this stuff so much. Then, for eye cream, I decided to use the 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. This is gonna be really good for dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Primer. This is actually really good because it smooths your skin and just stop your makeup from settling into pores. So I'm putting that all over. Then I'm gonna put on a little bit of concealer on my under eyes. Dude, they're so bad recently. But I'm gonna be using the Benefit Buoyant Concealer with the Luxie Beauty Harley Quinn Detail Flat Definer 110 brush. That's a mouthful. This is actually a limited edition brush with Warner Brothers and Luxie. So cute. But anyways, this just really helps because my under eyes are so bad that I need like extra, you know? Then I'm going to be putting on foundation. This is actually Benefit's Hello Happy foundation. It's super matte, but it actually looks pretty cute. Okay, so in between foundation and concealer, I actually took the Skin Iceland Berry Lip Fix and put that on my lips. Dude, this stuff is amazing. You guys know I've had this in my favorites before, but this is just really good for long-term hydration, and it gets rid of the appearance of flaky skin and fine lines. It's just really good. It's like minty. Oh my god. Then I went in for concealer, and for concealer today, I used the Maybelline Fit Me with the NARS concealer, which actually I just did the NARS because it was a little bit lighter than the Maybelline one, and I wanted it to be lighter because I'm so pale right now. To set my under eyes, I'm actually using the Luna by Luna translucent powder. This is just gonna set your makeup, mattify, and blur and smooth your skin, so it's perfect for your under eyes. And then I did my brows off of camera. I also set my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. So today I'm using the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, and I'm just going to start off with the shade Fancy Face, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. I'm really not putting a lot of that shade because I'm going to really start building up the outer corner with the dark brown in that palette, which is called Screw It. I'm really going to start blending it and bring it in. It's really a slow process of just building up the shadow and then blending and building and blending and building. As you can see, I'm not blending too far outside of the actual lid space though, but I do want to really deepen up the lid space, so I wind up dragging it in towards my tear ducts and having a really nice gradient. Okay, so now I'm going to start building it up with black. Black shadow is really tricky. You really need to go slow and just build up as you go. So you don't need to pack it on right away. Just slowly build up the layers. And when it comes to bringing the wing out, I never apply the shadow past the lash line. So I'm just blending the black shadow out. I'm not actually applying it out, if that makes sense. It's easy to blend too much, so you don't want to add too much black because it really does blend far. So then I'm doing the lower lash line, and I'm really not taking that powder past the pupil. And then obviously I'm going to blend that, but I'm using the shades that I used on the upper part to blend the lower part. Then I decided to take a little bit of black eyeliner. This is just from Urban Decay, it's just plain black eyeliner. And just like the shadow, I took it only up to the pupil. Okay, so next to conceal the lash line, I just took the Scone Cosmetics Insanely Intense Mini Tattooed Eyeliner in Jet Black and put that along my lash line. This is really pigmented and it's waterproof and smudge proof. For a little inner corner pop, I just took the M Princess Loose eyeshadow in the shade Pretty Petal and put it on my inner corner, and then like took it down on my lower part of my inner corner, if that makes sense. This is a really good eyeshadow, has minimal fallout. Now moving on to the face, I just bronzed up using the CoverGirl Healthy Vitalist powder. This is in a darker shade and I just use it to bronze rather than using it as a face powder. Then I used the Too Faced blush called How Deep Is Your Love, and then highlighted with the Pixie by Petra Glowy Glossy Matte Duo in the shade Delicate Dew. So pretty. To line my lips, I use the Huda Beauty Bombshell. Then for lipstick, I took the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Matte Mineral Lipstick in the shade Incognito. This is so cute. I love this lipstick so much. It's really long lasting and has a matte finish. Then to show you the rest of the stuff that I got in my glam bag, I got the Numa New Moisture Instant Fix Lightweight Leave-In Protectant Spray that is really, really good for detangling. And then on my nails, I have the Pretty Woman nail polish in the shade Nude or Nothing, which was so fast drying and actually lasted a really long time. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Sorry I've been so MIA, but I'm back at it. I have 4 videos ready to go, so you'll be seeing a lot more of me. My bad. I'll explain everything. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!